The skies over New York and New Jersey have been buzzing, literally. Since mid-November, mysterious drones have been spotted hovering near critical infrastructure, military installations, and even airports, leaving officials and residents baffled. In today's video, we're diving deep into what's happening, who's investigating, and why these sightings could pose a serious risk. Just last night, Stewart International Airport, located 60 miles north of New York City, had to shut down its runways for an hour after a drone was spotted. While officials claim there were no flight disruptions, the incident highlights a growing problem: the increasing number of drone sightings over restricted airspace. This isn't just a one-off event. Residents and officials have reported hundreds of sightings in recent weeks. According to the FBI, over 5,000 tips have come in regarding drone sightings, with fewer than 100 generating credible leads. These drones have been seen near sensitive locations like Bikini Arsenal, Naval Weapons Station Earl, and even busy airports like Newark Liberty and JFK. And while some reports may be misidentified manned aircraft, the FAA confirms that drones are undeniably in the air. Are these drones just hobbyist toys, or could they pose a real threat? Officials have ruled out foreign actors and malicious intent, but the risks are still high. A Joint Chiefs of Staff official called the activity irresponsible, emphasizing the danger of drones near military bases and critical infrastructure. The FAA has also imposed temporary no-drone zones over high-profile events like the Army-Navy game. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy and New York Governor Kathy Hochul are demanding federal action. Both have called on Congress to pass the Counter-U.S. Authority Security, Safety and Reauthorization Act, which would expand the FAA's oversight and give more investigative powers to state and local law enforcement. Governor Hochul stated this has gone too far, urging the federal government to step in and ensure public safety. So, what could be behind these mysterious sightings? Some experts suggest hobbyists may be flying drones irresponsibly. Others point to the possibility of commercial drone operators conducting tests without proper authorization. However, the sheer scale and frequency of these sightings make it hard to pin down a single explanation. Drones are more accessible than ever, with nearly 1 million registered in the U.S. alone. While they have countless applications, from delivery services to emergency response, they also present regulatory challenges. The FAA requires drones to stay below 400 feet and within the operator's line of sight, but enforcing these rules is difficult, especially with the rapid rise in drone usage. While federal and state agencies continue to investigate, the mystery remains unsolved. The FAA and FBI are using advanced detection technologies to track drone activity, but progress has been slow. Meanwhile, residents and officials are growing frustrated, demanding transparency and action to ensure public safety. What do you think is behind these mysterious drone sightings? Are they harmless, or could they be a sign of something more serious? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on this unfolding story, visit Almond Consulting. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.